In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple yet effective timeline in Microsoft Word using SmartArt. This is a great way to visually display a progression of events or milestones directly within your document. Whether you're preparing a school project, a business proposal, or just organizing thoughts in chronological order, the visual aspect of a timeline can make your information much more digestible. So let's dive into this step-by-step guide. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Word file. If you don't have one ready, feel free to open a new document. Having your content or topic in mind will make the process smoother, as you'll know precisely what events or data you'll be inserting into your timeline. Once your file is open, let's move to the next step. Navigate to the Insert tab located at the top of your screen. This is where you'll find various elements you can add to your document, from tables to images, and of course, SmartArt. Click on SmartArt, which is typically found in the Illustrations group of options. SmartArt is a fantastic tool because it provides a variety of visual representations for your information, ranging from organizational charts to lists, and in our case, timelines. Once you click on SmartArt, you'll be presented with a dialog box featuring several categories on the left side. These categories range from lists to cycles, and for our purpose today, you'll want to select Process. The Process category includes several designs suited for timelines and sequences, helping you to lay out your information in a logical order. Within the Process section, you'll find an option called Basic Timeline. This is a straightforward yet versatile layout, perfect for a first go at creating a timeline. Click on Basic Timeline and then hit the OK button. This action inserts the timeline template directly into your Word document. Now that your timeline is in place, you can start editing it to suit your needs. You'll see placeholder text where you can enter the events or milestones pertinent to your project. Feel free to personalize the timeline by modifying font sizes, styles, and colors to better match your theme or branding. SmartArt in Word is extremely adaptable, so take advantage of the customization features to make your timeline as informative and attractive as possible. And there you have it. Your timeline is complete. You've now transformed quantitative data or chronological events into a visually appealing timeline, making it much easier for your audience to understand and absorb the information. Thank you for joining me today, and feel free to come back for more handy tips and tricks to optimize your use of Microsoft Word and other useful tools.